hands of a working man built this town. Cleared this timber and plowed this ground. Raised those cattle in the sun and snow. Dammed that river and dug that coal. It's a debt we owe to the hands of a working man. Else to do. Put food on the table and you fill up the tank. Pay what you owe to the boys at the bank. Live another day thanks to the hands of a working man. Working hard from the sun up to the sundown. They can build it tall, they can tear it on down. They got
Hi, how are you? I'm Roz, nice to meet you. How do you like working here? Is it a good shop? Very cool.
Regular turning lathe.
Oh, the turning lathe? Awesome.
Yeah.
And what kind of stuff does this guy make?
We're making bolts on there recently.
Oh, bolts.
Right.
Now the hands of a working man look kind of funny, sticking out of white shirt sleeves on Sunday. They're more at home holding a rod and a reel, 9-pound hammer or a steering wheel. There's leather and steel in the hands of a working man. Working hard from the sun up to the sundown. They can build it tall, they can tear it on down. They got the know-how if you got the money. It's hard as a hammer if you pick.
This is your... Oh, this is a nice room here. Wow, look at all this stuff. It's so clean. It's really set up nicely.
We just passed our audit.
Oh, really? So you're AS9100 now?
AS9100 Rev D.
Rev D. Wow, that's awesome. Guys got that American flag going on. That's nice.
Too bad you didn't have the video.
You got it.
These are
Wow.
these are pistons for Walker Evans.
Wow.
It goes in their Polaris brand.
That it goes in there what?
Polaris, you've heard of Polaris, the side-by-sides? They make, we make the shocks. I mean the pistons that go in the shocks.
Very nice.
Hit you hard as a hammer if you pick a fight. Tonight to the rough and dirty, strong and sturdy hands of a working man.
How's business? Did you guys make all these parts?